Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
About 10 years ago, Darren and I decided, let's take Ag PhD on the road a little bit. So we were out doing lots of agronomy workshops around the country, but over the last few years, we haven't really done that. Well, this year, we're going to be back on the road again. We're in a number of different states. We'd love to have you join us for an Ag PhD workshop.
Well, specifically an Ag PhD Agronomy Workshop, and this is what gets really fun as we travel around. There are different agronomic challenges in every area, and sometimes you may have something unique to your farm. Being in person at one of these meetings, you can actually ask us the questions that, hey, this is what I'm actually struggling with. Can you help me? We would love to.
So we'll be in states like North Dakota, Pennsylvania, Illinois, Indiana, Nebraska, and the workshop's going to vary at each place that we're at because every area has its own local weed problems, disease issues, crops that are being raised. So when you attend an Ag PhD Agronomy Workshop this winter at one of these locations, we'll have an agronomy book for you, we'll have a great meal for you, and most importantly, hopefully, we're going to get most of your questions answered as we head into this coming growing season.
Yeah, there are a lot of details there. You can go to agphd.com and find all the information you need there. You can also pre-register for any of these events that you want to attend.
So we'll talk about everything from drainage to fertility, weed control, insect control, disease control, planting populations, harvest moisture. I mean, we've got the gamut to cover. It's going to be a super fun day. We'd love to have you join us for one of our free agronomy workshops this winter.
Well, one other thing we may discuss is our weed of the week. Can you identify this week's weed?